job, Michelle.
Thank you.
All right, so whoever.
Hey, this is Pastor Josh with Hope Church Mill Creek right out here in beautiful Roxboro, North Carolina. This is our first annual car, truck, and bike show, and we have had such a good time. It's been such a good turnout. We've got Emissary's chicken plates, the investment from the Hope Church family. All our families are out here, and there's been so many people come by, and from Wildflower Cafe, and it's just been a great day. We appreciate everybody who stopped by, everybody who's visited, everybody who brought a car, truck, or bike. It's been so good. We appreciate the ability to do this, and we appreciate you, Roxboro. Thank you.
We're having a good time, enjoying some good food. There's a lot of nice bikes and sweet rides out here.
Hello, my name's Ethan, and I'm at the car show, and I'm liking the turnout. There's so many cars here, and I'm very excited to see who wins.
I'm the champion.
Don't listen to Holy.
I'm the champion. Come on, I'm the champion. Come on.